Hello everyone, here in this video I am going to show you that how you can display color variants as a separate products on your collection page of the Shopify store. So basically this video is specific for WOKIEE theme, and if you have any other theme then I have already created a lot of videos with different themes, so you can follow that, and if you still don't find then you can message me. I will help you out in creating this feature for your store. So right now on my screen you can see that I have different products with different variants, but only main image is displaying. I mean a single variant is displaying, but all the other colors are not displaying on the collection page. So I will show you step by step that how you can do this in your store by just copy and pasting the code. So the first thing is that you should go to the dashboard of the store, and here you can see that I have installed WOKIEE theme. So you need to create a backup of this theme. You should click on these three dots, click on duplicate. So in that way you will able to create a duplicate copy of this file, and later on if you are doing any mistake or something, so you can roll it back to its original version. Now the next thing is that you should download the code. I have already given the link below in the description. You just need to click on that and you will be downloading these 4 files. And here is the documentation which we are going to follow in this video. So you should open this documentation, and here are a few steps which I have already written. So the first step is that create a new snippet color dash variant and paste the attached code. So where is this code? I mean where we are going to create the snippet. So you should go to the dashboard again, click on these 3 dots, click on edit code, and here we have some folders and files. So you will be finding this folder snippet. You should click on that and click on add a new snippet, and here you need to paste that name which is color dash variant. So you should copy it and then paste it right here, click on done. Once you are creating this empty file, then you need to paste the attached code which is this one, color dash variant.txt. So you should copy this complete code, and then after you can paste it inside of this empty file, and then you can click on save and you can close this file. So the next step is you should create another new snippet which is color dash product dash grid dash item. So you need to copy this name from here and go back and click on add a new snippet again, paste the name here, click on done, and this will also create a new snippet file which is also empty, and we are going to paste the attached code which is this one, color dash product dash grid dash item.txt. So you should copy this code and paste it inside of this empty file, and then click on save. Once the changes are saved, then you also need to close this file and go back to the documentation. So we have to create another file which is color dash product dash grid dash item dash design dash 1. So you should copy this complete name and go back and create the new snippet again. So you should click on add a new snippet, paste that name here, click on done, and again we have another new empty file. So you should copy the code from this file which is color dash product dash grid dash item dash design dash 1 and paste inside of this empty file, and then click on save. So once you have done all these steps, then you should go back to the documentation, and the final step is go to snippets and open collection dash template dot liquid. So this is another file which you have to search here, and you will see that we have collection dash template dot liquid, and inside of it we are going to make a small change, which is you should actually find product dash grid dash item. So I'm going to copy this and let me search it here. So you will find that it will be highlighted somewhere. So this is the line which we have just now highlighted, and you need to remove this complete div element and paste the new code which is this one. So you need to replace it with this new line. So I'm going to paste that. So this is the new line which I have just now added, and then you can save the changes. Once the changes are saved, then you can actually close it, and let me refresh this page. Here we go. Now you can see that we have all those colors which were there in the single product, and now those are displaying as a separate products. So that's how you can actually create this collection in your Shopify store. So if you have any problem or something, you can actually ask me. I will definitely help you out in solving that problem. So this is really important feature, because sometimes customers are coming to your collection and they can actually see all those colors, and in most of the cases they can choose one of them. So in that way your conversion rate increase drastically and people purchase and your sales increase. So let me know if you have needed any other features related to Shopify. I created a playlist of latest features which I provided in the videos for free, so you can follow that playlist also. And if you stuck somewhere or you have any problem, you can directly contact me. I have already given the contact details below in the description. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you are new on this channel, then please subscribe this channel. Also like this video, and you can also follow me on Instagram, TikTok and Facebook. You can join a WhatsApp group which I have recently created. So thank you so much once again. See you in the next video.